a secure future. Central government jobs in India. India, a land of aspirations. Young people, dreams in their eyes. Central government jobs, a beacon of hope. Stability, respect, a good life. These jobs matter. They shape our nation. They offer a chance to serve, to make a difference. From the railways connecting our vast land to the banks safeguarding our economy, opportunities abound. Defense, ensuring our safety. Civil services, the backbone of administration. Each sector, a world of its own. Each job, a chance to contribute. Central government jobs are not just jobs. They are pathways to a secure and fulfilling life. They are tickets to participate in nation building. So, let's explore these opportunities together. Let's understand how you can be a part of this journey. Diverse opportunities. Exploring the sectors. The Indian central government is vast. Think of a giant tree. Each branch, a different sector. Each leaf, a unique job. Let's look at some major branches. Railways, the lifeline of India. Millions travel every day. Jobs here? Plenty. Engineers, station masters, ticket collectors, and more. Banking, managing the nation's finances, from clerks to officers, keeping the economy running. State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, and many others. Defense, protecting our borders, air and seas. The Army, Navy, and Air Force offer roles for soldiers, sailors, airmen, and officers. A challenging yet honorable path. Civil services, the backbone of administration. IAS, IPS, IFS, these are dream jobs. They shape policies, implement schemes, and ensure good governance. Your path to service. Qualification-based roles. Each job, a specific requirement. Your education, your ticket to apply. Don't worry, there's a place for everyone. 10th pass? Yes, you can apply. Railways, defense offer opportunities. Constables, technicians, support staff. Honest work, essential for the nation. Graduates? The world is your oyster. Banking exams, Staff Selection Commission, SSC exams. These are your gateways. Clerical posts, officers, assistants. A stable career awaits. Engineers, doctors, lawyers. Specialized roles await. Technical departments, healthcare services, legal advisors. Your expertise is valuable. Remember, each job has specific criteria. Age limits, physical standards, sometimes even entrance exams. Do your research. Understand the requirements. Railways, a network of opportunities. The Indian Railways, a world in itself. Tracks crisscrossing the nation. Millions traveling, goods transported. This massive network needs manpower. Engineers, civil, mechanical, electrical. Maintaining tracks, engines, signaling systems. Ensuring smooth and safe operations. Station masters, the heart of a railway station. Managing operations, ensuring passenger comfort, handling emergencies. A position of responsibility. Ticket collectors. Interacting with passengers, checking tickets, maintaining order. A crucial role in revenue generation. Technicians, signal and telecommunication, electrical, mechanical. Keeping the trains running on time, ensuring safety. The Railway Recruitment Board, RRB, conducts exams for various posts. Prepare well. Your ticket to a secure future could be just a test away. Section 5. Banking pillars of the Indian economy. Banks, the custodians of our finances. From savings accounts to loans, they fuel economic growth. Public sector banks offer a plethora of opportunities. Probationary officers, or POs, are the management trainees, the future leaders. They handle customer service, loans, and manage branches. It's a dynamic and challenging role. Clerks are the face of the bank. They handle customer transactions, manage accounts, and provide information. Essential for smooth functioning. Specialists include IT officers, law officers, and marketing officers. Banks require diverse skills to thrive in today's competitive environment. The Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, or IBPS, conducts exams for various posts. Quantitative aptitude, reasoning, and English language proficiency are key areas to focus on. Section 6. Defense, Guardians of the Nation. The armed forces are our shield against threats. The Army, Navy, and Air Force offer honorable careers for those willing to serve the nation. Soldiers protect our borders and engage in combat when necessary. It's physically and mentally demanding, requiring courage and discipline. Sailors operate warships, submarines, and patrol our seas. Technical skills and a sense of adventure are crucial. Airmen fly and maintain fighter jets, helicopters, and transport aircraft. Technical expertise and a love for the skies are essential. Officers lead from the front and make strategic decisions. This role requires leadership qualities, strategic thinking, and a deep sense of patriotism. Each branch has its own recruitment process. Physical fitness tests, written exams, and interviews make for rigorous selection to identify the best candidates. Section 7. Civil Services, Serving the Nation. The Civil Services, the steel frame of India. IAS, IPS, IFS. These are not just jobs, they are platforms for national service. Indian Administrative Service, IAS. The policymakers, the administrators. From district administration to national level, shaping the future of the nation. Indian Police Service, IPS. Maintaining law and order, preventing crime, ensuring the safety and security of citizens. A challenging yet rewarding career. Indian Foreign Service, IFS. Representing India on the global stage, managing diplomatic relations, promoting trade and cultural exchange. The UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, conducts the Civil Services Examination, one of the toughest exams in the world. Dedication, hard work, and a passion for public service are essential. Section 8. Navigating the application process. Applying for central government jobs, a systematic process. Online applications are the norm now. Websites like the National Career Service, NCS, are your friends. First, find the right job. Check the official notifications on government websites, employment news portals. Read the eligibility criteria carefully. Next, create an account on the relevant portal. Fill in your details accurately. Upload scanned copies of your documents. Then, pay the application fee, if applicable. Some categories might be exempt from fees. Keep the payment confirmation safe. Finally, submit the application before the deadline. Take a printout of the application form and fee receipt for future reference. Remember, incomplete or incorrect applications will be rejected. Stay updated on exam dates, admit cards, and other important notifications. Section 9. Why choose a central government job? So, why choose a central government job? Why go through the rigorous selection process? The answer is simple. The benefits are unparalleled. Job security. Once you're in, you're in. No threat of layoffs, pink slips, or sudden job losses. A stable career, allowing you to plan for the future. Perks and allowances. Housing allowances, medical reimbursements, travel concessions, and more. These perks significantly enhance your overall compensation. Retirement benefits, pension schemes, gratuity, provident fund. Secure your future even after you retire. Live comfortably without financial worries. Respect and recognition. Serving the nation brings immense respect and recognition. You become a part of something bigger than yourself. Work-life balance. Government jobs often offer a good work-life balance. Time for family, hobbies, and personal pursuits. Section 10. Seize your chance. A future in government service. Central Government Jobs in India, a gateway to a secure and fulfilling life. The opportunities are vast, the benefits are numerous. But remember, competition is fierce. Prepare well, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. Believe in yourself, your abilities. You have the potential to serve the nation, to make a difference. Start your preparation today. Explore the various sectors, identify your strengths, and choose a career path that aligns with your aspirations. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. So, seize your chance, take the leap, and embark on a fulfilling career in government service. Your nation awaits.